Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to maximize your energy cell. To begin, you'll need to gather Zolite, a crucial resource found deep within the depths. This ore is vital for enhancing your energy cell, which directly impacts how long your powerful Zolite devices can operate. A fully upgraded battery allows for extended use of your creations, from flying machines to combat contraptions. Next, you'll convert your raw Zolite into crystallized charges. Head to a forge construct, typically found in the depths, to begin this process. For every 3 pieces of regular Zolite you offer, you'll receive 1 crystallized charge. Alternatively, 3 large Zolite can be exchanged for 1 large crystallized charge, which is equivalent to 20 standard charges, offering a more efficient conversion. To expand your battery, you'll need to invest your crystallized charges into energy wells. Each individual energy well costs 100 crystallized charges. You begin your journey with 3 energy wells, which make up your initial battery. To reach the ultimate power level, you will aim for a grand total of 16 full batteries, which translates to 48 individual energy wells. Achieving a fully maximized energy cell requires a substantial investment. You will need a grand total of 4,500 crystallized charges. If you were to acquire all of these solely through regular Zolite, you would need 13,500 pieces. However, by utilizing large Zolite, the total drops to 675 pieces, offering a more streamlined path to full power.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.